Why grow American lemon trees? American lemon trees are prized for their juicy, tangy fruits and aromatic leaves. Step-by-step guide to growing American lemon tree seedlings. 1. Choosing the right seedling. Select a healthy seedling. Look for seedlings that are strong, green, and free from pests or diseases. Opt for disease-resistant varieties. Ensure your seedling is known for its resistance to common citrus diseases. 2. Preparing the planting site. Location. Choose a sunny spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Soil. American lemon trees prefer well-draining soil. Amend heavy or clay soils with compost to improve drainage. 3. Planting the seedling. Digging the hole. Create a hole that is twice the size of the root ball of your seedling. Planting. Place the seedling in the hole, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with the ground. Backfill with soil and water thoroughly. 4. Watering and fertilizing. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water the seedling deeply once a week or more often during dry spells. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced fertilizer designed for citrus trees every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season to promote healthy growth and fruit production. 5. Pruning and maintenance. Pruning. Remove any dead or damaged branches and shape the tree to encourage a strong, open canopy. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the tree to help retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. 6. Pest and disease management. Pests. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids and spider mites. Use organic insecticides or neem oil if needed. Monitor for signs of fungal or bacterial infections and take action promptly to prevent spread. 7. Harvesting. Timing. Lemons are typically ready for harvest when they turn yellow and feel firm to the touch. They can be picked directly from the tree. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. For more detailed information and updates, visit our channel, www.youtube.com/@homeplusgardening. Thank you for watching and happy gardening!